Hi viewers, welcome to my video io.net io. Basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction update, forecast, quick update. io.net last 24 hours time of recording this video. Huge massive pump price increase, jump 47% price increase up. Current technical indicators on the bullish. Binance listed coin trading Binance. Fear and greed index 70. Currently weight, new buy entry trade, price already pumped 47%, best buying entry trade 6.35 USD. io.net all-time high price yesterday 6.48 USD. Current price time of recording this video 5.85 USD. io.net highest price, high cycle, last cycle low price 6.35 USD. 24-hour trading volume 4.80 billion, market cap 560 million, market dominance io.net 0.03%, io.net current circulating supply 95 million, out of supply 800 million, current circulating supply 95 million, out of supply 800 million. io.net against US dollar price increase of 50%, against Ethereum 55%, and against Bitcoin price increase of 53%, same time period. io.net 19 cryptocurrency exchanges listed, 26 pairs. Binance listed coin trading Binance, Binance future listed coin, KuCoin, Bybit, Get.io, Mexi, famous cryptocurrency exchanges listed. io.net currently 4-hour time frame downside, all-time high price 63 cents down. io.net support levels, entry points 4.25 USD, 3.75 USD, and strongest support level entry point 2.15 USD. Resistance levels 6.35 USD, 7.15 USD, and 7.50 USD. io.net forecast. Current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Last 24 hours, huge massive pump, 47% price increase up. Binance listed coin trading Binance. It means time of recording this video, best buying entry trade 6.35 USD. 6.35 USD, best buying entry trade time of recording this video. io.net io. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.